President Rodrigo Duterte called on Kris Aquino and her sister Ballsy to personally extend his condolences over the death of their brother, former President Benigno Aquino III. According to Senator Bongo, Duterte called the Aquino sisters on June 24. Before the call that night, Duterte had led a minute of silence to pray for Aquino during a program in Malakanyang.
You know, as always, when I talk to the family, I offer my heartfelt condolences to the Aquino family. Be assured of the government's assistance in this period of mourning. And above all, please accept the love and the prayers of a grateful nation.
Duterte also signed Proclamation Number 1169, declaring a period of national mourning for Aquino's death from June 24 to July 3, 2021.
Maraming salamat sa Malakanyang dahil nag-reachout sila. Maraming salamat kay Presidente Duterte dun sa kanyang nararamdaman namin na sinseridad na pagkukondol sa pamilya namin.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.